Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows update errors. This video will cover all the update related issues and how to fix that one. So as an initial step, you can go to start menu, tap on power icon, tap on restart. Then try again to update your system. If it is not working, you can go to your taskbar icon list and check your Wi-Fi connection, which connection you are connected, and it has a internet connection, active internet connection. Okay, if the Wi-Fi is not working, you can try to connect with your cable, Ethernet cable kind of thing. And if you are using VPN or proxy, you can disable that one and try to again update the Windows. Okay, once it is done, again go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and come to storage section. So in here, you can see there is option called temporary files. Just select that one and you can select the temporary files and you can remove all the things. Other than that, you can scroll down and come to cleanup recommendations. So you can tick each one or selected one, then after tap on cleanup that files. So this way you can free up disk space if there is a collapse between space and Windows Update. Once it is done, close this one. And if you are plugged in the external USB drives kind of things, remove those external drives and then after restart your computer. And if you are using third-party antivirus software like Avast or kind of thing, you can temporarily disable that one, then after try to update again, because some of the virus guard will be block the updating process, so you have to manually disable it until Windows Update is complete. So again go to start menu and setting. Under the system section, scroll down and come to troubleshoot option, tap on other troubleshooters, tap on Windows Update and run. It will detect the Windows Update related issues. Okay, once it is completed, you will be identify if there is issue with Windows Update, then you can fix that issue. So if it is not working, you can again go to start menu and tap on search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. So now we are going to restart Windows Update service. First you need to type net space stop space WUAUSERV and hit enter. Once it is completed, again type net stop bits BITS, hit enter. Once it is completed, again type del space /F /S space /Q space percentage icon win dir percentage icon backslash software distribution slash star dot star and hit enter. Once it is done, again type net start WUAUSERV and hit enter. And again net start BITS and hit enter. These commands will be restart Windows Update service. Once it is done, close this one, and also it clear the update cache also. And again you need to go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. This time you need to type DISM space /online space /clean up dash image space restore health and hit enter. Once it is done, you can type sfc space /scan now, like this. Then after hit enter. This will take around 5 minutes to scan your whole system and fix your corrupted files. If it is not working, you can manually install the update. First you need to find KB number of that failed update by just go to start menu, go to setting, go to Windows Update. In this section you will be able to find which update is failed. You can identify the KB number of that one. Then after you need to go to the Microsoft Update catalog. You can type www.catalog.update.microsoft.com. Then you will be able to come to this kind of window. So then after you can type that KB number in here, then after tap on search. So you will be able to find this kind of update menu. You can just simply download that one and you can install that update. Again, you can go to search bar, search for msconfig, tap on system configuration option. In this menu you can go to services tab, tick on hide all Microsoft service like this, then after tap on OK. Again you need to go to startup tab, tap on open task manager, and in the startup level you can see some of the applications are enabled. You have to manually disable all the application like this. Tap on disable for each one. Once it is done, you can restart your computer. And final method as you can reset your Windows by just go to start menu, go to setting, under system section scroll down, come to the recovery option, tap on reset PC. So there are two options here. You can either keep your files or you can remove everything. It's up to you. Select your opinion. Then after tap on next, then it will be clean your Windows into the factory default mode. So this method will be fixed your issue completely. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.